So we are actually recording this time, which helps. Hello, FAQTube superfan JJR Survival asks, Tom, what do you think of people that hide their subscriber number? Simple answer, don't do it. The only reason anyone ever hides their subscriber number is because it's low. And the ironic thing is, as soon as you hide the number, people know you've got low numbers. So it's absolutely achieving nothing. Of course, no one wants to have or show a low subscriber count. And I talk about it in this video why subscriber numbers are still important today. But if you do have a low subscriber count, wear it with pride, wear it as a badge of honor, use it as a launch pad, as an inspiration to work harder, to grow that number, to reach the next milestone, and also your audience will appreciate and follow along your journey up the subscriber ladder. And the good news is that once you start to grow and hit a certain size, it actually gets easier to grow as people come to the channel, see a nice healthy number, think that there's something good going on here because there's a lot of subscribers, and they want to join that tribe and they hit the subscribe button. So the good news is there is a kind of snowball effect that happens as you get bigger, so don't worry too much if it seems really hard at the start to grow that number. I'm a living, breathing example of this. I'm a YouTube expert by profession, and yet my numbers are still tiny compared to a lot of my peers. So I'm using that as an inspiration to do everything I can in my power to grow my channel and my subscriber base as soon as possible. What action are you going to take today to grow your subscriber number? Let me know in the comments below and help me grow my subscriber count by clicking this button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. To see the rest of the videos that I've uploaded this August for Vader, you can click on this playlist, and I'll see you soon.